Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. My dog is huffing right now because he's not with his mom. But then when he's with his mom, he wants to be with his dad, and I can't be both. I mean, I technically could, but I'm not. So what I wanted to show you, I just gave you a little sneaky peeky. I know you're probably tired of this makeup, but sorry, we're just gonna record. I'm pre-recording as many videos as possible so that there's still content coming out as I'm away. So I got this book that I've been looking at for a while. So this is the Crochet Stitch Dictionary. It is available on Amazon. It's probably available in other places, but I don't know. I don't care. I got it because I will not have my phone, so I will. I'm like, how do I crochet without my phone, without instructions? So I will be doing some stitch tutorials, just like I did with the lover's knot. If you haven't seen the lover's knot video, it's a pretty easy stitch. Takes a little bit of practice, but I think a beginner can definitely do it. And there are a ton of beautiful stitches. Let me see. It says 200 essential stitches with step-by-step photos. So I hope to pick a random page, try a new stitch, and see what we can make with that. So I'm super excited to do this, and I can't wait to share this with you all. So I know this is a short video, but hopefully we can have some fun. Oh, look, lover's knot right there. You open right to it. So it calls to me. It calls to me because I'm a lover. Yes, so again, if you haven't seen the video of me doing this makeup or talking about this makeup, I just went buck wild, kind of messed up my brows, so I decided to put blood on it. And my every time I touch my eyebrow, I forget, and because it just like constantly drips and never dries, so it's always sticky. And I like it because there is like fake blood. There's like face paint and glitter in there, but there's also fake blood, and it's so sticky and just like ah. But this is the look I've decided to do today. So who knows? Maybe I'll do another look. I don't even know. But yeah, so I can't wait to show you some stitches from this and break them down in easy to digest manner so that you can make your own beautiful craft with this. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.